Hi, Josh here from Desky, here to show you the minimal under desk drawer, along with its features and how easy it is to install. Now, the frame of the drawer is available in several colors to match your existing Desky frame. Internally, spacious enough to hold all of your office accessories with a multi-level compartment and a large capacity that's suitable to hold A4 size documents. And the drawer front. This can be selected to match any existing desktop within the Desky range, along with additional accessories. Today I'm going to show you how to add the bamboo front onto the body of the drawer and then install this underneath the Desky. We do recommend that the drawer be fitted to desktops 1500 millimeters wide and above to ensure enough legroom either side when sitting at your desk. To begin the easy installation of the Desky minimal drawer, lay out all the parts, and firstly, if your front panel has a slanted edge to one length, ensure that this edge is facing down upon attaching it to the front of the drawer frame. To attach that front panel, place the frame of the drawer down on the front panel, lining up the holes on the frame with those of the front panel. Begin initially by hand tightening the 4 screws into the pre-drilled holes, before then going back over and tightening them securely using the hex key that's been provided. Now, the ideal position to install the minimal under desk drawer is opposite the keypad, then flush up against the frame of your Desky, and make sure that you have the front of the drawer flush with the front of the desktop. Using an electric drill from here, you can either mark out the holes through the frame of the drawer onto the bottom of the desktop and then pre-drill 2mm holes prior to attaching the drawer, or as demonstrated here using the 4 self-tapping screws provided, I'm able to drill these straight into the desktop with ease. Once done, check that the drawer is firmly attached and then flip the Desky back to its original position, ensuring that you rest the back edge of the Desky onto the ground, and this way you avoid resting the weight of the Desky onto the drawer or the control panel. Once back in place, you can then go ahead and add the interior storage compartment to the inside of the drawer and fill it up for easy access anytime. With dual sliders built into the drawer, this allows for carrying a full drawer smoothly. And the Desky minimal under desk drawer is a fantastic addition to your workspace, keeping everything in one place and then your daily work area free from clutter. If you have any further questions on the minimal under desk drawer, head over to desky.com.au. Thanks for watching.